2670 original case tape. I used to open pack for 16 hours. I was so tired that time. Human card unpacking machine. Let's open one box at a time. Let's see if I can get rarest one in just one box. Several times today, just first box. Let me open the door for the card. Let Batman welcome you. Oh, let's try it. Let's start. Superman, fight Lex Luthor. This one is borderless, the seal card. Let's take a look at the group photo. Yes, I'm still here. Mudman. 152. They don't know you stayed up all night, do they? The Joker. I know. That's fine. Interesting. The Batmobile. Batman poster. 738 Constantine. Batman poster. The second box. The twin Batman. He has too much, Constantine. $2,375. To Constantine. The postcard is Superman. Superman saves people. Step on you to wake up. This is a major event card grid. It should be a big event. Come. Definitely Batman. This one has been released today. There's a cool back of Batman. And add this fire. With 2 eyes and 1 head. It's so cool, with tall buildings. 2975 side. Definitely Batman. Go quickly, Uncle. Here. Aquaman. This should be Green Lantern. Grid 6 for 7.5 side. Place Green Lantern here. The third box. Black Flash, the Q version. Yes, brother, wrong. More than 2 boxes. About half of the first box. 3 Axle Beetle to 9. 1 bar to 99, just half. You may not get many, maybe none, or you may not get any. I want to play. Oh, I remembered wrong. Wrong's carrying pot. Brother Young, spend money wisely. Really think carefully. If you want to play, wait until you buy it. 4795, Nidali Blue. Batman Q version poster. Signed orange signature. This signature is a diamond fold. 2,375 is really cool. If it's not in stock, place an order first. You can queue up first. It may suddenly be on the order list, or there may be no orders. These 2 white ones Batman are both MRQs. He should be sleeping again. Yes, he's taking advantage of the situation. There will be no orders after these 2 cases are unpacked. There aren't many orders now. Posters. Batman, Superman. Posters of Batman and Superman. Wonder Woman poster. Welcome. If you want to open case, we can offer numbers to choose from. You can buy the one you like. Purple has already chosen one. Okay, Batman. $26380, this is Brother Green Arrow. He is the villain, right? Riddler. Riddler points to 4345 side. A poster of Superman. It's divided into Metropolis. Metropolis. Metropolis, Metropolis. I'm crazy. Metropolis Legend. And there is also Gotham City Legends. Metropolis Legend and Gotham City Legend. It's a poster without borders. Welcome Long. Yes, it will be crazy when you open it. Batman. Headset Bro. Batman vs. Riddler. Supergirl Q version. Malizu has started. Malizu took the lead. I thought you were going to sleep, Malatang. Sandalwood? Do you like it? 171 to 99, you're awake again. Aquaman, Superman. The Poison Ivy's signature is nice. Poison Ivy's basket. Sign 3 to 95 side. 3 to 95 blue lead. There's no good stuff in this box. No good stuff yet. There are still 5 boxes at the bottom. After this half box is opened, there is still 1 box left. Yi-Yi's signature is in the middle. This signature is a good match. 160 for 5 becomes a high position. If there is a purple signature, there will be no green. Stop for half an hour. Half an hour for dinner. Then the table was also dismantled. At 6 o'clock, there was no one left. They all fell asleep. I had time. I took a break. I took time to have breakfast. I'm really a genius at drawing the wind. Change the Mirage to... No, I won't do it. Mill it to 122299. I robbed the stone. I'm not stupid. I robbed the stone. Yeah. 118,380. I won't stop streaming until I get a black one today. 7 people have signed, and we all agreed. It's not difficult to get out of the black. I don't believe it. Let's open this box for Kitty first. Then give one to Malau too. Everyone should draw one. After that, don't open it. This product can be ended. Everyone, don't move. Joe sat on the ground and jumped up excitedly. Bugs. Static Man to 79 to 99. Seven people signed. Yes, Pai has a 7 signature green one. Superman Orange. 1 to 75, hand side, yeah. It's on the left. The orange Superman is so good looking. All RPU. Today, only Baoli has a red one. And the rest are all PU. There are more than 10 drops. Because all the previous ones were PU. It's sold out. He should be asleep again. Superman. What is the 358 villain? He also produced 2 white Batman figures. There are 3 boxes left. Green hasn't dropped yet. No drops. Let's have a drop. Retro poster. Superman. 955165 becomes 95. Zatanna. Zatanna. Shazam, Harley Quinn. This live action is so beautiful. Real life plot. This is a small card. It's so beautiful. Green peacock is a good match. It matches the green peacock, the peacock feather. Batman's bat knife. A handsome green peacock. Hey, does green peacock sign? Batman. Congratulations, Teacher Kitty. Batman and peacock sign. Yes. Why did this green peacock signature come out? It will come out. It will be released. This is worth a green paper. It's worth a green paper. 1 3 to 5. The green peacock signature is different from the green signature. It's a branch. It's a match. The green peacock signature. It's a signature. The green peacock represents green plants. It may sound a bit awkward, but it doesn't matter. It belongs to matching. Listen to Sanjian. You won't lose. This is not a drop. It's not kitty. Originally, there could be a green one in this box, emerald or green plant. But after this one was drawn, there will be no green. There is no emerald or green plant. It's harder to get than the other two. It's a higher level one. It's a higher level. You can understand it this way. It's not a drop. There are still 2 boxes left. It's not a drop. There's still a chance. It's not a drop. I'll put a sealing card film on it. Except for this signed green peacock card, there will be no emeralds. Or green plants. Nor the other one. There won't be 7 people's signatures on the upper middle. They are mutually exclusive. 2095, these 4 cards share a matching position. 4 or 5. 5 cards, green diamond, green peacock. And the basic green paper. 5 cards are 1 out of 5. This one is more difficult to get. There are 2 more boxes. Welcome, Angel. How can the packing system tell which one is? Yes. They should be packed by machines. They have written programs. They should be quite capable. It's too troublesome to pack by hand. They should be packed by machines. The penultimate box. Yes. Aquaman 3 to 6. If it's packed by humans, I would work part-time in the factory. I would go to the factory to work part-time during holidays. I'll install it myself. I'll assemble Harley Quinn myself. Put them all in a box. Put 2 black papers. Don't go too far. Just 2 black ones. Two mystery discs. Poster cards and group photos. What's wrong with going to the factory? Yellow Lightning 111 against green. 7,000 is not enough. He tops the green. He tops green. But his drop rate is harder to get than black paper. Superman's ratio is higher than that of black paper. 103%. It's equal to the dragon egg in our whole game. It doesn't occupy drop rate. It's not as common as drop, but it's not less. It's just that the distribution is different. It's not that it's more common than drops. It's higher than drops. It's higher than many drops. It's even harder to get than the black paper. The last box. Come on! Let's get a drop in the last box. This box. It's going well so far. 2 Batman and 2 cyborgs. The Daily Planet card. This Daily Planet card looks like Batman, Flash, Aquaman, Penguin Man. Wow, so cool. The Daily Planet card. It takes 4 boxes to get one. This one is less common. Its texture is very high-end. It feels a bit like leather. It's like leather, 6995 sides. Like Goosebumps. Yes, that's more appropriate. It's like Goosebumps. L5 pack. Can the last one be a miracle? Come. Almost. Almost. Black Adam. Black Adam and Black Phantom are about 180 to 380. Three Penguin Men. He uses an umbrella to stab you. I'm speechless about this umbrella. This box is over 2,670 boxes. But it's not bad. Although it didn't drop. There is a green signed Batman. Green peacock, and the signature is also relatively rare. This one is less common. It almost came out, but it didn't. And Absolute Batman and Planet Daily are all very powerful. Batman box, Batman box.